Hello, we are team Thirstic row number 938 from NITK Surat, Bangalore, Karnataka, and we are here to tell you about our bot which we have made under eYRC Robotics Competition 2018. So, first of all, we'll introduce ourselves. I am Shivam Poddar, second year Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, NITK.
I am Nisab Shah, second year Mechanical Engineering Department, NITK.
I am Naman Agarwal, second year EEE Department, NITK.
I am Nikhil Kadam, second year Mechanical Department, NITK.
Now I'll go to some interesting aspects of the theme. First of all, we would like to thank eYRC and IIT Bombay for giving us this opportunity to participate in this competition. It is a very rare thing to get this much amount of hardware to do experiments, because that is a common problem among electronic enthusiasts that they don't get hardware. So for that we are very thankful to eYRC for giving us this opportunity. So talking about the theme, it was very interesting because it was like a story which we have been hearing since our childhood, the Thirsty Crow story which everyone knows. So the idea itself of implementing this theme was very interesting, and it has been a great journey. It has been a great experience. We have learned a lot of things while implementing this. So one of the interesting things which I'd like to highlight is we were given a line sensor. So we expected that since it is analog, it will work properly. But there are some intricacies, like for example, the distance between the two sensors on the distance between two LEDs and the width of the line is actually exactly equal, which makes the entire implementation quite difficult. So such small intricacies and such small detail put into designing the theme makes everything very interesting. Also, the OpenGL part was very interesting because apart from doing electronics, we were also learning animation, and we tried to implement it as good as we could. Now I will tell you about the modifications or the overall design of our bot. So first of all, the bot is based on a printed, a flex sheet which has been cut using laser cutting. So here are basically two layers which has all the components housed on it and connected as required. All the components were given by eYRC, and we haven't used anything extra apart from wires and the breadboard. So on those two layers, on the top layer, we have the Atmega 2560 dev board and the battery which sits beside it. And on the below layer, we have the entire power circuit which is soldered on a single breadboard, which makes the entire interfacing of components very convenient and very easy. And also, it doesn't cause any errors due to the connections. You can see that even the motor driver is fixed onto the breadboard, which makes our entire operation very easy. It requires less number of wires and it works efficiently. And both the motors are mounted on the below side, which are kept at a minimum distance possible so that the bot is as small as possible in size. Also, we have fixed this black sheet of paper around the line sensor so that it doesn't get affected by the ambient light values. So I think that's all we could tell about it. Thank you.